Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pay with your Citibank credit card. So, as an example, we'll have to go somewhere to pay for something. Like example, let's say I don't know. Let's first of all go Citibank card example to show you. So maybe this is a good example. So I would like, of course, to get even the CCV if I'm able to get that to show you like, oh, no need even to enter that, I guess so. You can go anywhere that you want to buy something. Maybe as example, you want to buy something at Amazon. You can go to Amazon and buy something. Maybe I want to buy something here. Maybe I want to buy some gaming laptop. I will just go here to this PC and click on buy now. Once I click on buy now as an example, here as example, choose the address that suits your needs. For me, it's going to be this one using this address. And here you will have to fill up your informations. So you'll have to click on add a credit card or debit card. And all you need to do is simply enter the informations of your Citibank card. So here, enter those 16 numbers, name on the card, and the CCV code, or yeah, CVV, sorry, or CVS, CVC. Of course, you can click on what this, and they'll show you that's the last three numbers behind your card. Once you enter that, click on add your card. It will be added. Then you can simply just go and use this payment method and pay for it your stuff. And you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.